Hi, Mark Fraser at Edwards Garage. Today I'm going to do a walk around video on this GMC Sierra 3500 with the SLE package. Now it comes with the 6.6 liter Duramax engine. It's got the projection automatic headlights. Comes with DuraTrack, probably about 60% life, 70%. It does have the trailering mirrors. Just want to walk down the side here and just show you the condition. Has the running boards. And it is a long box, and that's a very rare, very rare beast to get a long box in this good condition. Comes with a backup camera, and spray and box liner. I'll just continue around here and just show you the condition of the other side. No major scratches or dents. One little rock chip there, but overall in pretty good shape. So I'm going to show you some of the features of the interior of this GMC Sierra 3500. First, before I jump in, just want to show you the controls on the side here. We have power adjustable mirrors. The mirrors are extendable too for towing, power locks, power windows. And we do have the integrated trailer brake here, four-wheel drive, and the auto headlights as I mentioned. So I'll jump inside and show you the rest of the features. So I'm inside this 2019 GMC Sierra 3500, and it is a cloth interior. Overall, the interior is in good shape. No rips or tears or scratches or stains. I'm going to start here on the steering wheel. We have your cruise control, we have your Bluetooth controls, and then we have your driver information controls here as well. And like always, we have our paddles on the back for radio control. So moving over to the radio, we do have satellite radio, AM, FM. There is OnStar navigation available through subscription, and Bluetooth, of course, for your phone. We can receive text message up on the screen as well. Moving down, it is 19, so we still do have that CD player. Below that, we have our dual climate control. Great for if your passenger is cold, they can turn the heat up on their side. Below that, we have StabiliTrak and traction control. This is the control for your cargo light, and then you have your exhaust brake, which is great for towing. Up here on the mirror, we have our OnStar, which is part of our safety program. We do have programmable garage door openers here. But yeah, the front is in great shape, and it's been well looked after. I want to jump in the back seat and just show you the condition back there. So I'm in the back seat of this GMC Sierra 3500, and it's in great shape. There are a couple little scratches I just want to point out on the door. I'm not sure what caused that, but I just wanted to make that aware of those scratches. But the seats are in great shape. It does have the vinyl floor here for easy cleaning, so if you wanted to use it as a work truck, it's very easy to clean out. But overall, other than those couple of scratches there, it's in good shape. So there you have it, the 2019 GMC Sierra 3500 with the long box and the Duramax engine. It's just got just over 116,000 kilometers, so it's got lots of life left in it. And we have it priced right at $51,995. If you'd like to check out this vehicle or schedule a test drive, give me a call at 403-845-3328.